Avenel and IFO, and I'm from New York. It's very exciting, and the note is very nice too. So we love that. It's
What does the
exciting
note
for sure.
say?
The Alumni Association of the USM is pleased to present to you the stethoscope courtesy of the generous alumnus or alumna listed below. We wish you all the best as you embark on your medical career. Well, I think the beautiful thing about medicine is the passing down of traditions and the passing down of, information. And so like the perpetual teachings of mentors and their mentors beforehand, I think is just very characteristic of medicine in general. And so I think it's an awesome thing that they're doing.
I'm Christian Arbelez from Boston, Massachusetts. In the hospital, you see doctors' stethoscopes around their necks or in their pockets. It definitely has that association with the profession, and just to have such a strong alumni network that is providing these stethoscopes for us is really meaningful for me in my first year here. In terms of of role models, when you're with patients, you want to be fully present, and it seems like that was something that Dr. Stanfield really embodied, and I think it's something that we should all aspire to.
Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm from New York and I grew up in Wisconsin. Thank you so much to the alumni who sponsored this event. This is really amazing to receive the medical supplies, especially the stethoscope. It means a lot to finally take another step towards becoming a doctor and continuing this career in medicine.